Welcome back to the channel. I want to welcome everyone watching today. Whether you are new here or already subscribed, you are highly welcome. On this channel, we share useful apps that help improve online security and browsing safety. In today's video, I'm going to show you a VPN app that helps secure your internet connection and add an extra layer of protection while you are online. This app can also help improve your online activities, and it is available on the Google Play Store. To get started, open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Net VPN and search for the app. From the results, select the correct app by checking the name and icon, then install it on your phone. Once the installation is complete, open the app to begin the setup. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, this is a good moment to like the video, share it, and subscribe so you don't miss future content. When the app opens, you'll see the home screen, and a few simple settings are required before connecting. First, tap on the Update button to refresh the app resources. Choose Online Update so the app can update to the latest version and work smoothly. After the update is complete, the next step is to select a server. I recommend using the Auto Select Server option as this allows the app to automatically connect to the best server in your location. If you prefer, you can also choose a specific server manually. Next, choose a connection method. For this tutorial, I recommend selecting the UDP option as it is fast and works well in countries that support it. If UDP is not supported in your area, you can tap the option and select your country from the list instead. If the app has a time limit, make sure to tap the Add Time button to extend your connection time so the VPN continues working without interruption. Finally, tap on the Start button. The app will begin connecting, and once connected, your internet connection will be secured with a stable and fast connection. That's how you can set up Net VPN to enjoy a secure, stable, and fast internet connection with added protection. If you have any questions, suggestions, or need help, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.